Hi everyone, this is me again, Isabel. Hello everyone, this is again Isabel Santiago and welcome to my channel. So our topic for today, what we're going to be discussing is about more on how to be a better YouTuber in the future. If you guys are planning to join the community of YouTube, then you have to have this kind of attitude within yourself for you to be a successful individual or YouTuber in the community. So basically guys, the first thing first that you are gonna be asking to yourself since you are just starting is that what are the tips or what do you have to do for you to be successful as a YouTuber? To be successful guys is like an ordinary basic rules of the community is that you need first to have guidelines. Those are the basic guidelines, knowing what are the terms and conditions, differentiate what works from what doesn't, especially when uploading some videos, and being open to try out differently. Because YouTube guys will gonna go ahead and put you in an extra miles to be a better person. Just like me, basically, just an ordinary employer. Then during the community lockdown that happened, with the pandemic, I decided to make some experiment for myself, try to do other things that might be productive. And here I come, I was able to come out with this idea. Why don't I go ahead and make some content and be part of the YouTube community? So at least I would also be able to help others in terms of our company. So going back to the tips that we're talking about, the first thing first that you have to always remember is always or stay consistent with your videos that you're trying to upload. What do you mean by that? Definitely you have to ask yourself first, what do you want to be part on, or what part of topic that you want to involve yourself. So in my case guys, since I've been in the BPO industry and been doing more on travels and tours, we are into vacations. So I actually came out to this kind of idea. Why don't I go ahead and talk about travels, since we are into travels and tours? And at the same time, I'm also giving some tips, trainings, and coaching about the process of our business. So that's actually my concept of the video that I'm making and uploading. So first thing is stay consistent with your videos that you're trying to upload to YouTube. So if you guys are into cooking, you love cooking, then you can go ahead and make more on cooking. And if you are into travels or you're the kind of very experimental, then go ahead and more on sci-fi. Now, if you're into pageantry, then go ahead and make some videos about pageant, latest updates, and everything, something like that. Okay? The second one is have fun. Guys, in everything or in every endeavor that we're doing in life, as we across our path of life, one thing that I always remember is that you always need to have fun with everything that you've been doing. Because if you have this kind of attitude or mindset, definitely you would be able to accomplish what you want in life. So just like me, I actually believe with YOLO, you only live once. So always make, every day a difference and always make it happy. So the first thing for you to have fun is definitely you need to have this so-called passion. Alright, so you have to have that passion in life. Whatever the purpose or whatever purpose you have when you upload videos, that is to earn money or using YouTube just to promote your business or just for whatever reasons you have, passion should always be considered as part of, your guidelines to be a better and to be successful in this journey that you want to take. Now, you also have to always check the availability of your name overall. So, what is the name that you think that you want to be classified of? So you need to have that certain name so at least people would always remember you and recognize you no matter what. Because if you have that given name or a certain name that you created, people will always remember you. So that's actually the third tips to be successful. But of course, guys, before you choose a name, you always have to make sure that you actually use the name checker. So just to make sure that you don't have it's a unique name that only you do have that name that you're using or you wanted to use. Also, the fourth tips is save your username or your name in advance. So always make sure, because you might not be consistent of time. On your first video, you're using your name Isabel, and on the second video, you use a different name. So you gotta have to make sure that you're always consistent. So consistency is the name of the game, as they says. Now, SEO, YouTube SEO, or versus the quality. I mean, since you choose to be part of, just like on my end, I actually decided to be part more on travels and coaching. So I always make sure that the quality of videos that I'm putting in are more on the quality of the topics, so at least people would also learn and get interest with what I'm talking about. So you also have to consider the quality of the topic and the video that you're uploading. So at least they will have the interest of following and subscribing to you. And also have some, make some fun on it as well, as, it's part of the guidelines. In other, no matter how quality the video you got or you uploaded through video, but it's kind of sounds like boring, nothing will definitely happen. So at least have some fun. And again, if it's your passion to talk and to teach, then you will have this instinct, yeah. You will have this kind of instinct that you will actually be able to convince people to believe you. So as they said, it's not how you lay it, it's how you talk about it. So walk the talk, okay? Number 6, so use a customized thumbnails. When you guys are uploading some videos, feel free to make some downloads or get some thumbnails like likes, what else? Sunny, broken heart, anything that will actually catch the attention of your viewers. So at least they would also enjoy, not just playing more on about you or the current background that you have. So make some more fun about the videos that you'll be uploading. Yeah, that's it. So the next one, guys, is ask for engagement. Well, popular videos, just to let you know, are being promoted by YouTube. So the more likes, the more subscribers always gonna be put on top of it to be promoted. So if you want to get more subscribers and you want to have more likes and views, then you better have to call someone that is well known. So how would you be able to get some engagement? Guys, this is actually like you can go ahead and make some collaborations with those famous, popular, with thousands or millions of likes and subscribers. And I know it's kind of hard, especially like on my end, because I'm just a beginner and I'm not really sure if they were gonna say yes to me, just in case that I ask a favor to collaborate with them. But who knows, right? You never just don't stop or don't be so negative. Always be positive, and who knows, they were gonna say yes to you and make some collaboration. So you better have to make some call to actions, which is you will never get any results or any you will never have some results unless you try. Okay. And what else? So after the one, the next is become part of the community. Guys, Facebook or YouTube is a big community where you can actually go ahead and collaborate or make some engagement with one another. So how do you have to do this? Always make sure to subscribe and likes others creators, make some comments, and positive comments, definitely, that is in accordance to the guidelines of YouTube. Because if other commenters or other creators were going to be seeing your comments to those videos that they are watching, then they might also, or there is a big possibility that they will be able to see your content and your channel as well. In that way, they would also be able to add you and, of course, subscribe and watch your videos, right? And what else? Other than those things, like making connections, making some engagement, and collaborating with others, another one important thing is that you always have to make sure to respond to viewers' requests, comments, feedbacks right on your comment section. So just don't ignore it. Probably could just make some like on it, or probably put some heart on it and respond back with thank you. So they would also appreciate that what they're actually doing is they're taking some focus as well and attentions with the comments that they are putting. But of course, always be ready as well with the negative comments, because we cannot please everyone that they were going to say yes to whatever you're going to upload or topics that you're going to be discussing on your channel. Now, lastly, but not the least, is always keep on going. Guys, no matter what happened, there will always be time for you to be overwhelmed. And of course, there will always going to be time for you to be sad, especially if no one is viewing nor subscribing your channel. But it takes longer, or it takes a while for you to have that one. So, never give up. Just keep on moving on until such time that you achieve what you wanted, or you have this kind of target of subscribers, views, and likes on your channel. Okay? Always remember, guys, that often in life, things that we encounter are, we don't plan on it, right? It just comes along your way without knowing or without you getting ready on it. So that's it. So I hope you guys learned something on this one as a beginner. So better have those guidelines in mind, and you're gonna be sooner, definitely you'll be one of, who knows, right? You'll be one of the famous or millions of subscribers. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, listening, and please, please, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for you to get updated. Thank you.